Hey, what up, y'all? It's your girl Stallicorn, and I'm back at it again with another tutorial. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this purple-ish lavender color in my head. I just want to say, like, this wig was bought on AliExpress from some vendor that I don't even know. I'm just gonna leave the link in the description box below. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this purple color, just keep watching. But this is a 613 wig, 8 inches with 150% density. So this is how it looks. It's a full, I think it's, they call it what? This is a frontal lace wig. So, and you know, I got good old trusty here, my little dye shit, you feel me? So yeah, this is how the wig looks. Let me take it off her real quick. She bald headed. So that's how it looks. And that's how it looks inside. It got its little combs. There's 4 combs and stuff in it. And yeah. So now I'm about to show you how to get this lavender color with watercolor, doing the watercolor method. So yeah, just stay tuned, guys. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna be doing my dye and stuff, because I want to do this with hot water. So I just boiled the water in a kettle and I'm pouring it in. And I also boiled the water in a pot too, because I need enough water. I probably don't need that much water, but yeah. So the colors that I decided to use today would be Orchid by Kiss Colors, the Tintation, and Rose Gold. Now I'm about to see how this looks. And so yeah, first I'm gonna pour in the Orchid.
Been too long, I'm craving it. I'm saying I need guava, yeah. Let's skip all the drama, yeah. Guava.
And then I'm gonna pour in that Rose Gold. Ah, shit. Fuck. That's what I get. You want to mix that up so that the color gets everywhere.
For the good girls and 2 times for the bad, that's you.
So first things first, before I do anything, I want to tone the hair. I already have my dye and stuff ready. So I'm going to use the Shimmer Light shampoo with blonde and silver. And I'm going to put that into a bowl or a pot of water. This right here is not hot water. It's just like lukewarm water. And then I'm going to mix that up. And I'm just going to put all of that in there. And then I'm going to leave this in here for a few minutes, so that it can at least get some tone. Okay, so the hair is nice and toned. Now it's time to dip it in the dye. So I just poured some conditioner in it, and yeah, now it looks like a drink with fruits in it. So that was a fail. But yeah, now I'm about to just dip it in here, and however way it comes out, that's the way it comes out.
All natural, real juice from you. Can't wait for you. I need a little guava. Yeah. Oh yeah. Turn my vocals up, please. Yeah.
And now I'm about to leave that in there for 2 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the wig. Dried and flat ironed. Alright, and now time to dye the lace.
Baseline, can I get you on the baseline? Baseline, you don't fuck with a good baseline. Everybody know that you're mine, yeah. Baseline, can I get you on the baseline, you don't fuck with a good baseline.
So from this part of the video and on until I finished the rest of the wig, I muted it because me and my friend, we were basically like talking about her business, and I don't want to put her business out there. So I muted all of that so that we don't have to, you know, get any business out there. So yeah, just enjoy the song.
Alright, other than you calling me,
fight, wanna fuss up. Let's be out with the old and with the new. You got body like a coke, this is not a joke. Gotta get it on, gotta take you home, I know that you're wrong. This is not the time to be playing with my mind, baby, I ain't signed up for the arguments. Let's both get a little wild with it. I know what I wanted. Been too long, I'm craving it. I'm saying I need guava. Guava, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's skip all the drama. Drama, yeah. Guava. Guava, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's skip all the drama, yeah. Yeah. I need a little brown sugar, brown taste. I can't wait. I need a little bit of guava. I need a little all natural milk juice from you. Can't wait for you. I need a little guava. One time for the good girls, and 2 times for the bad. That's you. Hey, I don't wanna talk it out. I just wanna dance it out with you. With you. Hey, hey, and your waistline crazy. Wanna have babies, need a little time with you. I don't need space. I know I did you wrong, but this is not the time to be playing with my mind, baby. I ain't signed up for the arguments. Need to give me one chance with it. Baby, I've been trying to get back to it. Gotta let it show, never let you go. Girl, you know I need guava. Guava, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's skip all the drama. Drama, yeah. Guava. Guava, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's skip all the drama, yeah. Yeah. I need a little brown sugar, brown taste. I can't wait. I need a little bit of guava. I need a little all natural milk juice from you. Can't wait for you. I need a little guava. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Turn my vocals up, please. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baseline, baseline, can I get you on the baseline? Baseline, you don't fuck with a good baseline. Baseline, everybody know that you mine, yeah, yeah. Baseline, baseline, can I get you on the baseline? Baseline, you don't fuck with a good baseline. Baseline, everybody know that you mine, yeah, yeah. Baseline, baseline, can I get you on the baseline? Baseline, you don't fuck with a good baseline. Baseline, everybody know that you mine, yeah, yeah. Baseline, baseline, can I get you on the baseline? Baseline, you don't fuck with a good baseline. Baseline, everybody know that you mine, yeah, yeah. Guava, guava, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm saying I need guava, guava, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's skip all the drama, drama.
Alright guys, so this is how the wig looks. It took color really well. And I laid it down. I don't know if you can see. I laid it down kind of flat. I can never get the sides right, but you know, I did my best. This is how it looks. At least the lace isn't like some hard ass plastic. I never do baby hairs because yeah, I'm bad at them shits, and I feel like baby hairs would be a waste on my forehead, because by the time I put on my wig, my forehead is like half the size. So yeah, here we go, here we go. This is the wig. But yeah guys, so yeah guys, let me know what you guys think about this lavender purple-ish wig color dyeing thing. Like, leave some comments down below, subscribe, don't forget to do that, and yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Bye.
Guava, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's skip all the drama, drama.